Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to pick color from the image in Paint 3D. So if you want to do it, first you need to load your image to the project. So we need to go to the left upper corner and we need to click on menu. After that I go to open and I click on browse files button. Now we need to click don't save and we need to select image that we want to load. For example, I select this one image and I click open button. After a moment this image will be successfully loaded to Paint 3D. So now if we want to pick a color from the image, we need to go to brushes and here we need to select this one icon. It is Eyedropper. It will let you to pick up a color from anywhere in your workspace. So I click on it and then I click somewhere on the picture. So for example, I select this one color and then it has been successfully added to our palette. So now you will be able to use this color. So in this way you can easily pick colors from your image in Paint 3D. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.